So, you might have seen this video about the Nothing Phone 2a I made 2 weeks ago. Since then, we've gotten a lot of details about it and an official look of the new design. In this video, I want to show you the new details. The chipset that they have chosen for the Nothing Phone 2a is the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro, which is a pretty good chipset. This is actually not used in any other phone, but they did show an Antutu benchmark score, so let's compare it. Here in Antutu 10, we see that the Nothing Phone 2a is very close in performance to the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and that costs about $400, so Phone 2a's price seems pretty good. I assume that the Dimensity 7200 Pro is very slightly worse than the Ultra model. I think that the CPU performs pretty well for the price of the phone. The Phone 2a is rumored to cost around $420. It actually outperforms the Phone 1 by about 25%, so it will probably be better than the Phone 1, maybe. Nothing will even discontinue the Phone 1. It has almost double the performance of the Galaxy A54, which costs $300. Here is a Antutu score per dollar chart, and we can see that the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is a little better value than the Phone 2a. And the Phone 1 is amazing value. Nothing just released this video today, showing the design of Phone 2a, and now, I really like this design. When I first saw the leaks, I didn't really like it, but seeing the final product I think it looks amazing. So, let's go over the design. First, we have the brain, which is the top part. It is this circle with the two cameras in it. The cameras are in a horizontal orientation, instead of vertical, just like Google's Pixels. Around this circle, there are 3 glyphs compared to 11 on the Phone 2. This is just to make the phone cheaper. The chipset is actually under the circle. Here for the brain name. Under that, we have this thing that looks like a ribbon cable. The sides kind of look like a silicone phone case in my opinion, which gives it a very unique look. The glass on the back is curved, which I think looks really good. They currently only have a white color, but they are exploring other colors. Some parts of the design are also semi-transparent, which I really like. The Phone 2a will launch on March 5th, which is just a week away. I am so excited. I will make a video on all of the details once it is released. Now, if you do enjoy content about technology, PC building, nothing and more, I would highly appreciate if you subscribed or liked this video. Thanks for watching.